6 months ago, I had zero products, no store, and definitely no idea how to make money online. The only thing I knew was Excel. I was already using it to track my own expenses, but one night I thought, why not clean this up and turn it into a budget app for others? So I added a clean dashboard, some formulas to auto-calculate savings, and some drop-down menus to easily categorize expenses. It wasn't fancy, but it was smart, simple, and easy to use, that's all. I listed it on Gumroad for $5 and no sales the first week. But then out of nowhere, ding. You made a sale? I was shocked. Someone actually bought my Excel file, then another and another. Turns out people don't want complex apps, they want something that works. My little spreadsheet went on to make over $400 in just 3 months, all from a tool I already knew, and a problem I already solved for myself. So if you have zero tech skills, no audience, and no money, this is for you. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I created a budget app in Excel and how you can do the same and sell it online. No coding, no design skills, just raw hustle. First, let's start with the basics. You'll need a computer, obviously, and an internet connection. And there are 2 ways to get started. If you already have an idea for a product that solves a problem, great. Go ahead and search for it on Google. For example, create a budget spreadsheet, see what comes up. Chances are someone else has already done it. If they have, don't copy them. Instead, try to improve on their idea, make yours better. If you don't have an idea, that's okay too. Look up the top freelancing websites and see what people are paying for. For example, on Upwork, type in Excel and you'll see all the different services people are offering and getting paid for. This takes us back to step 1. You need a problem to solve. Look up the top freelancing websites and see what people are paying for. For example, on Upwork, type in Excel and you'll see all the different services people are offering and getting paid for. Or go to Reddit and look for communities based around Microsoft Excel. Search for common problems people are facing. Maybe someone posted a screenshot of their messy budget. That could be your idea. Don't overthink it, just solve a problem. Now, once you have an idea, put your own spin on it, make it better. Think about how you can stand out from the crowd. Now, it's time to take action, create your solution. In my case, I used Excel, but remember, you don't have to be an expert. You just have to know enough. If you don't know how to code, no worries. If you do, even better. And once you're done, you need to tell people about it, share it on social media, reach out to relevant subreddits, or list it on freelance websites. Be sure to use high-quality images and a compelling description to stand out from the crowd. In my next video, I'll dive deeper into how to market your product. But for now, just remember, start with a problem, create a solution, and put it online. Don't wait until you're an expert. You'll never learn if you don't try. So get started today and who knows, maybe you'll make a few $100s like I did. Or maybe you'll end up with a full-time income from your side hustle. The possibilities are endless, so good luck and I'll see you next time.